Hi everyone, this is Ramey at UMI Performance. We're here in front of the UMI Performance 71 track Camaro. So this track Camaro is going to be 80% race, but 20% street. So we need headlights, taillights, turn signals, all that jazz. So we trusted Painless Performance products to make that happen. So it's a complete wiring harness called a Pro Series. So you can see we have a little extra length on the wiring. The cool thing about that is we can wire it where we want it, and then we can add all the GM ends on it. So we can have direct plug-in headlights, direct plug-in taillights. That all works flawlessly. So we thank Painless Performance for that. Another cool thing is all the wires are labeled with the name and number of what it's going to. So this is a reverse light wire. So if you have any trouble with the system, you can say, hey, reverse light trouble. And it really makes troubleshooting nice and easy. And my favorite thing, just like UMI Performance, if you get your Painless Performance catalog, it says American made, American proud. And we're all about that here at UMI.